Hi, hello, my dear friends. Hope all are doing good and safe. So, welcome back to my channel Countdown with Aru. Today, I'm so excited to share this recipe. This is going to be a summer special recipe, summer special drink, and summer has already started. It's so hot outside, and I know many of us started craving for ice creams, cold coffee, and some sort of cold drinks. Correct. So this is inspired a recipe from Cafe Coffee Day and one of my favorite, very tasty, and I know many of your favorite too, which is Devil's Zone Frappe. So let's check out how to prepare this frappe at home. It's very simple, and if you have all the ingredients ready, it won't take more than 5 minutes to prepare this. And guys, before getting into this video, please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also click on the bell icon to get notification on time. Ingredients to prepare this: 1 glass of milk, 2 teaspoons of coffee powder, chocolate syrup, whipping cream, powdered sugar, vanilla ice cream, and ice cubes. So firstly, we are going to prepare a whipping cream. So to prepare a whipping cream, there is a technique. First, you have to chill the mixing bowl and the hand beater. If you're using hand beater, or if you're using the blender, just chill the blender's blade in refrigerator for about 15 minutes. And also at the bottom of the mixing bowl, you have to keep ice bar so that the consistency of the cream will be good. You can see now I'm taking this freezed bowl and freezed hand beater. So now I'm going to use the whipping cream from Amul, and it is 30% fat, pure milk fat. So you will have instructions in the package how to use it. So go by the instructions for better results. Okay. So shake it well before use to mix the water content and cream. Taking 2 scoops of this fresh cream in chilled bowl, and I'm going to use hand blender. Hand blender is time consuming. If you use electric blender, you can easily complete it, because with hand blender you have to blend it for about 5 to 10 minutes continuously. And I'm adding unpowdered sugar. Whipping cream is ready. Now I'm taking 1 glass of milk, ice cream, vanilla ice cream, then coffee powder, take a blender or mixie jar, pour 1 glass of milk and add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream and sugar. Then finally coffee powder. Blend all the ingredients, milk, ice cream, sugar and coffee powder well, and I'm taking glass, this kind of glass, or any kind of glasses even like this, to serve. And now take this chocolate syrup from Hershey. Chocolate flavor is preferable. Spreading the chocolate syrup into the glass to give frappe appearance, and then for the flavor, add the ice cubes in it and the blended milk So it's almost done now. We're just going to add the toppings. So for that, I'm taking 2 scoops of ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and I've taken this whipping cream in a cone. So just add it on top of it. Oh my god, it looks so yummy, isn't it? Yeah. So if you want to add more, you can add more whipping cream. And finally the chocolate sauce on top of it. Then sprinkle some chocolate sprinkles, or yeah, you can add chocolate chips or any kind of sprinklers. So this is the final look. Yeah, it looks so yummy, and so yet another fantastic recipe. This Devil's Zone Frappe is ready. Look at the texture. Well, it was so satisfying. Even the taste was so good. Try this at home this evening. Make your evening special with this frappe. Enjoy and let me know for your comments. Thank you so much for watching.